couple of other things I'm going to be changing. I'm going to be changing this accumulation. I forgot what they call that, but some people call it an AC dryer. So I'm going to be changing that. I'm going to be changing both of the hoses, the high side and the low side up here. I just found where my AC is supposed to be leaking from up there, and stuck something up in there and it started flowing out. So I got a lot of rust right there, and that's not allowing the valve to connect on there to check the pressure. So I'm going to change that too. Not today, but definitely changing that. What's going on? We back on another episode. So far we changed the governor. And this is what we changing today, because since I changed the governor, what been going on is I've been getting a lot of pressure releasing from the valve right here from the dryer. They told me replace the valve only, but hey man, listen, I'm trying to do it and I'm trying to do it right. So we went ahead and got the whole valve. Oh, don't mind this right here, for a special friend of mine. But yeah, we went and got the Bendix AD-9 air dryer with the mounting bracket. Check the connectors back there. Everything looks good. Everything's look good with the electric. So we finna go ahead, take this out, put the new one on. Well, update, I found this one right here. It was very loose. Got these disconnected. Got the old one off. Valve is no good. Changing the brackets out. Got the new one mounted. Tighten it up the bolts. Work done. Anything you don't know is greater than you. Took me a little bit longer than I wanted to be here, but eventually I got it done. That's all that matters, driver. See you.